to another vlog. So today is 11th November. It's after 8. We slept a little bit too far, but yeah, now we are heading for breakfast. Tosso boys. Beautiful morning, but it's cloudy. Oh, even the restaurant is empty. Okay guys, here we have some porridge, milk and side of honey. So I'll start off with this. Conny already smacking her fruits. And how's the watermelon?
Sweet. Today is good.
Today is good. And some croissants, muffins, and then what you call this? Egg Benedict. So you have so I take salmon. Conny will take spinach. No, ham. So salmon and ham. Beautiful, beautiful. And then my dessert will be breakfast crackers with rawa butter. Guys, this egg Benedict, salmon and ham is so delicious, man. Should try it, man. What is something good? Nice. Naka. All good, all good, all good. Okay guys, so our lunch is here. So I ordered the chicken and beef stir fry. So this is cooked by Chef Rama. Chef Rama is the young beautiful girl who prepared roti and curry yesterday. So this is from Chef Rama, and this is from Bagi's daughter, Mula. Bagi's daughter. Make sure next time you do it round. See this? This look like yasawa. But all good, all good, all good.
The taste will be nice.
Taste will be nice, yeah. As long as the taste is nice. Okay. Masu.
Ciao.
Mas Manda. Okay, let's try Manda. Okay guys, now we finish food. Dessert time. And look at the views again where we are eating beside the bar. Look at the views, so amazing. Cool. Main restaurant. Yeah, I just caught a fish like a kambatia, just one kambatia, small one. Yeah, like Yeah, the line broke. I had some big like wool, and then because the sile here you need like a steel rod, not steel rod, steel wire in front, because they have sharp teeth, the sile. So I did not have that. I just had the fishing line. All good. Next time I will catch you.
Bula, and welcome back to our vlog. So another wedding is going there. They're preparing everything, I think, for afternoon wedding. Yeah, I think today is the good time. Bula to our friends from Paradise Cove. Yeah, so I think we will crash the wedding today. Huh? Yeah, they're doing a great job. Like preparing everything. Bula!
Bula tesamu, bula lesi. So where are we going, Conny?
For fishing today, so
Really?
Papi will take me for fishing, so I think we will catch some nice fish today. The kayak will be full of fish today, because I'm coming and trying to catch some fishes. So yeah, so you want to see what's underwater? Nice coral, huh? Yeah. Okay. Talk to you later. We have to go now to the spot. So, guys, Pate is ready. Can I open for that? So let me know as soon as you have something on the road. Please let me know, yeah. Guys, just see, there is Paradise Cove, the opposite of Paradise Cove, and we are just here.
Fly is coming.
But it's just so beautiful. Yasawa fly is coming there. I don't know if you can see that, it's still far away. It's just amazing. It's just amazing, this area here. I think I could stay here for long. Maybe I should bring my laptop next time. They say, Tom, I will stay here for 1 month. Why?
Hello, don't put it. We are fishing. You want to have a shot to
Okay. Okay guys, we are still doing our kayaking and fishing, so the Yasawa fly, our South Sea cruise, is coming now to pick up some guests from Paradise Cove. Yeah, happy we still have a few days left, but one day we will also sit in these South Sea cruises and going back to the Nova. So yeah, all good. We still enjoy our time here. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. So the stuff is already getting ready, everything to bring the guests to the South Sea cruises. Yeah, that's paradise, but this is also life, like coming back to daily routine. Yeah. So guys, I'm also doing fishing now.
You will just feel a big pull, then that means that's a fish. Patience. Fishing is all about patience. Pull! Go, go, go. Go, go, pull, 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 pull.
Help me!
Pull.
I cannot pull it more. I cannot pull it more. It's stucking.
Oh, and then that's a rock. Give it to me. Leave it. Hold the camera.
This girl catched a fish. This is the first time she's doing it, and she got a fish. What?
It's so funny. It's so
And
excited.
just see what
Panic.
kind of big fish I have, huh? Is this a big one?
Yeah, I'm super proud of you.
But yes, 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 yes.
So she caught the fish. I didn't catch anything. My line is stuck.
So just let me know what you will do now.
You have to kill it, otherwise it will jump back in the water.
So it's still alive. So the fisherman. I catch the fishes and Patty will kill them. Will it be good? Is it a good fish? Good for eating?
Super.
Or is it too small?
No, super. This is super good. Maybe we can eat this on Sunday.
Maybe we can catch some fish and bring it to Lautoka, huh? Just tell them put it in the freezer. And at the end of our stay, we give them $20 for keeping it, and then we bring all the fishes to Lautoka. I think these fish is already dead, yes?
No, still pretty. Nice size, guys. Nice size. Beautiful.
Whoa, I'm super proud. I'm super proud. Yeah.
I have
To race me now, huh? But this is what I will do every day. Don't eat the fish, huh?
now I have to bite the brain.
That's why your stomach is getting angry.
Super proud of Conny.
What though? They're just telling me, just give me the rope, I will catch some more.
I think I saw a turtle in front there.
No, don't catch the turtles. But why is the fish not jumping anymore?
I bite the brain.
So they are dead now? So what can you say?
Proud of you.
Mamma mia, I did not.
So, this.
Oh, Papi, this is ekelig. Juicy. Still breathing. Patty, still breathing. This is still breathing. It can still jump.
Okay.
Patty, can
Okay,
these
let's
not
fish.
can
Let's
these not
fish.
jump back into the water?
No, I bite the brain, so.
But
cannot.
it's still breathing.
Yeah, it Conny. When you die, your heart still pump in a few minutes.
Okay, sorry fish, we catch you, but there are plenty. It's good that you cannot think of us, that you have no brain to which can think. Because I'm feeling a little bit sad for you.
Okay, catch another one. Come on.
Okay,
So that
so
we can do tatavu tomorrow.
this is not the end.
Come on, Conny, another one so that we do tatavu tomorrow. cook it on charcoal. We walk to the other side and do picnic there Sunday.
Ich habe heute einen Fisch gefangen. Nur hier eben mal so mit dem Kajak entlang. War eben Angel raus und zack, hat einer angebissen. Patti hat nichts gefangen, aber das ist meiner. Cool, ne?
Aber ich bin Kapitän.
Was? Kapitän, du? Ja, du hast nichts gefangen. Nichts da. Das ist mein...
Okay guys, we are on our Kalavata. Today is Fijian night.
Yes.
So we are heading
For the Kav night, for the Fijian night, and then
Fijian traditional dance
Ghana.
and then food. Let's go.
Let's go.
My mother, we are the only guests. We are the only guests, so they'll entertain us. Also! We are so special. We are the only guests. We are the only guests.
Welcome everyone. Welcome to our Kabu Night, Kabu's Fijian Entertainment. This is where we're witnessing a few Fijian vibrant songs and dances performed by our very hard-working Paradise Cove staff. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll start the show with a few Fijian vibrant songs to liven up the atmosphere. We'll go to a few dances performed by our very own hardworking staff. And there will be a time that will come where you will also be joining us for tonight. It is called the Karalala or the Bunde, where you have to choose a partner, but otherwise the staff will come and choose a partner amongst you. Here before you are familiar faces, hardworking familiar faces that you often see them every day. And some faces you do not often see them. These are the hardworking back of house staff. Those that are in housekeeping, grounds, construction and maintenance, and even kitchen. Ladies and gentlemen, without taking much of your time, please put your heads together to Team Paradise!
Sawirina matani dangi sea eve mayake. sowiri na mata ni danyine sea ewe sema yake. Mode koto enambongi vula maluama. Nongu mode koto enambongi vura maluama. Naka.
If you do have a partner, you can bring your partner right here where I'm standing. But otherwise, if you don't have any partner, the staff will come and choose the partner amongst you tonight. We always have a rule, our couple rule. If you are not performing with us tonight, no dance, there'll be no dinner for you as well tonight. Remember that.
No dance in the pool.
Come on, everyone. To the dance floor. To the dance floor. Ready?
take a photo. Shake it, shake it! So that's it, guys. So that's it for the.
So no snake dance?
Ew. Wait, no snake dance. No snake dance. Yeah.
Our famous Israeli song. This is particularly for those
Go and sing with them.
for shows tomorrow on Sunday.
Sing with them.
If you happen to be leaving tomorrow, it's just a traditional, the norm here we have at the resort. We do not normally sing a welcoming Israeli song, but we have come up with the idea of singing a gospel song every Sundays. But if you're actually leaving tomorrow, please take this Israeli song as our see you again song. It's not actually a farewell song, it's a hope to see you again song. And we hope that you enjoyed your stay here at Paradise Cove as well. Expression of many and feelings. It expresses love, joy, happiness, and sorrow. Many songs have been composed to have the narration, but none has ever defined the true meaning of Isale. Isale means you're leaving us. Isale means we are so sorry. And Isale is longing for the day when we will meet again. We would like to take this time on behalf of the whole Paradise Cove family, just to say a big Winaka Bakalebu to each and every one of you. Thank you so very much for choosing Paradise Cove to be part of your holiday destination. We hope that you enjoyed your stay with us. It was a pleasure having you all here at the resort. And if ever someday you wish to come back, please think of our beautiful shows of Paradise Cove. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Winaka Bakalebu. Thank you so very much and hope to see you all again.
Naka!
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the end of our show tonight. Please put your hands once more to Team Paradise.
Whoa!
For those of you that are watching at 6.
Hey, come. Go here, come. Okay, ready? Naka.
Bulu binaka, ni samode. Arwah.
Thank you so much. Hey, can you like send us via Facebook or something?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Hayla. All right. So now we are ready for dinner. So Taru there, one of the old staff. Okay guys, this is our activities for tomorrow. So church service at 9, we'll be going with Conny. 9:30 is bushwalk, 2 o'clock snorkel by boat, 3:30 discover scuba, and sunset drinks at 5. So
You want to dinner?
okay, dinner. I did last time. Tomato basil, yeah. Tomato basil, yeah. Yeah guys, this is soup for the day. Tomato basil. Also, you see many people are there. Kava, and we are happy. The guy which we just met here, he's the CEO of the Fiji team. His name is Mark. It's funny, I cannot recognize him, man. Okay guys, here we have some beef tataki.
Hey, sharing.
Get some light. This is beef tataki, so it's beef with onion, or onion toasted with
Good boy, baby.
honey, some radish,
Let that shrink out when I ribs out.
Yeah.
Sorry, I finished. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay guys, this is my main. This is pork belly with cassava. Cassava with ndalo, prawn. Yeah. Some mura there. Yo, thank you Chef Sikeli Bolokoro. Nawalebu Drus. Nawalebu Chef Bolokoro. Alright guys, this is our dessert. This is lemon. Nice plating. Guys. Auna senga ni ere mole suma. Que se tuve con ave iloma. Bakailamo senra munapua. Nawa timbu tikunga. Bebe isina keveme. Sarani au tauran na duamu mamae watimu mula binaka se tau bi mate tu bakailabo senra bunrafua ona watingu tikonga bebe isinga keveme ua sarani mundu bebe isinga Hey koroma kea saranga YouTube.
But we're out there.
Bye.